Welcome back to Auto Drive, your trusted destination for the latest car reviews, updates, and in-depth looks at the most exciting vehicles hitting the road. Before we get started with today's video, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss our detailed reviews of the newest cars, trucks, and SUVs. Subscribing helps our channel grow and keeps you up to date with the automotive world. Today, we are taking a closer look at the highly anticipated 2026 Volkswagen Corrado, a car that combines heritage, innovation, and modern performance in one striking package. Stay with us until the end because we are going to break down everything from performance and design to interior comfort, infotainment, safety features, and even the most notable updates that make this Corrado stand out. The Volkswagen Corrado has always carried a reputation as a driver's car, blending sporty design with everyday practicality, and the 2026 model continues that legacy while introducing advanced features that match the demands of modern drivers. Starting with what matters most to enthusiasts, let's talk about the engine options. Volkswagen has equipped the Corrado with a range of powertrains to satisfy different types of drivers. Depending on the trim, buyers can choose between a responsive turbocharged 4-cylinder, a smooth V6, or even a performance-focused hybrid system designed for both efficiency and speed. Power figures are impressive, with horsepower ratings that climb well above 300 in higher trims and torque delivery that ensures quick acceleration and a fun driving experience. Volkswagen pairs these engines with both manual and automatic transmission choices, offering a 6-speed manual for purists who love to control every shift and a seamless 8-speed automatic for those who prefer ease and comfort. The drive options include front-wheel drive for classic Corrado feel, rear-wheel drive in sport-focused trims, and even all-wheel drive for stability in all-weather conditions. Moving to the interior, Volkswagen has taken comfort and technology to a new level. The 2026 Corrado is designed as a sporty coupe but with a surprisingly roomy cabin that can seat 4 passengers comfortably. The seating materials vary depending on trim, from high-quality cloth in entry models to premium leather in luxury editions. Heated and cooled seats, power-adjustable functions, and even memory settings are available, giving drivers and passengers a first-class experience. Ambient lighting throughout the cabin sets a modern tone, while soft-touch materials and fine stitching elevate the overall feel. The driver-focused cockpit is equipped with a digital instrument cluster that provides customizable displays for navigation, performance data, and entertainment, ensuring that all essential information is just a glance away. On the outside, the 2026 Volkswagen Corrado retains its coupe body style with sleek lines and an aggressive stance. The dimensions have been carefully refined, offering a low, wide profile that enhances both looks and aerodynamics. The length, width, and height work together to give the Corrado a commanding presence on the road, while the extended wheelbase contributes to improved handling and stability. The front fascia features a distinctive grille that blends modern Volkswagen design language with nods to the classic Corrado heritage. LED headlights and taillights not only improve visibility but also add to the futuristic aesthetic. Buyers can also opt for special edition trim packages that include unique wheels, chrome accents, and exclusive color options, making the Corrado stand out even further. When it comes to suspension and handling, Volkswagen has equipped the Corrado with advanced independent suspension that delivers both comfort and precision. Performance trims receive sport-tuned shocks that sharpen cornering abilities while maintaining ride comfort for daily driving. Steering is managed by an updated rack and pinion system with electronic assistance, giving drivers direct feedback and excellent control whether cruising on highways or attacking winding roads. Braking is equally impressive, with large ventilated disc brakes at all 4 corners. Depending on the trim, performance packages include oversized brakes designed to handle higher speeds and spirited driving, ensuring confidence behind the wheel. Safety remains a core focus in the 2026 Corrado. Volkswagen has equipped the car with multiple airbags, an advanced anti-lock braking system, electronic stability control, and traction management systems. Driver assistance features include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automated emergency braking. These features not only enhance peace of mind but also bring the Corrado up to the highest safety standards expected from modern cars. Technology and infotainment are another highlight of the 2026 Corrado. The center console houses a high-resolution touchscreen infotainment system that supports GPS navigation, Bluetooth connectivity, smartphone integration through Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and even wireless charging for convenience. Premium trims offer an upgraded sound system with multiple speakers strategically placed around the cabin for an immersive listening experience. Voice recognition, customizable user profiles, and over-the-air software updates are also part of the package, ensuring that the infotainment system stays current over time. Additional convenience features elevate the ownership experience of the Corrado. Power windows and locks come standard, and higher trims include a panoramic sunroof that floods the cabin with natural light. Keyless entry, push-button start, and a hands-free power trunk add to the convenience factor. For long drives, adaptive cruise control and lane centering assist reduce driver fatigue, while parking assistance systems make maneuvering in tight spaces effortless. Notable updates for the 2026 model year include new luxury features like premium leather upholstery with contrast stitching, real wood trim inserts in the cabin, and chrome exterior accents. Volkswagen has also expanded performance options, including a high-performance sport suspension available on special trims. Limited editions come with unique badging, exclusive paint colors, and custom alloy wheels. These details make the Corrado a true blend of style, luxury, and sportiness. Overall, the 2026 Volkswagen Corrado stands as a modern reimagining of a beloved classic. It brings together power, technology, safety, and luxury in a coupe body that is both stylish and practical. Whether you are looking for a daily driver with comfort and reliability or a performance coupe that delivers excitement on the road, the Corrado offers something for everyone. At Auto Drive, we bring you closer to the cars you love and help you understand every detail before making your choice. If you enjoyed this detailed look at the 2026 Volkswagen Corrado, make sure to subscribe to Auto Drive, give this video a like, and share your thoughts in the comments about what you love most about this car. Subscribing ensures you stay connected with our future reviews, updates, and automotive insights. Thank you for watching Auto Drive, where your journey to discovering the perfect car begins. Stay tuned for more and we'll see you in the next video.